Now I'm going to start again by using my test site for WordPress. So I'm on the About page currently, but if I were to come back, you could see this is dpstudiosonline.wordpress.com. And if you'll notice, I have a menu item here that says Assignments and Making Galleries. If I went to this Making Galleries, this is a demo version of a version of a gallery that is a stack of images. Now I'm going to show you how to create this. This is called a menu, and this is how people can navigate to various sections of your website when it's made public. Because if you don't have a menu item here, people are guessing as to what to put at the end of your URL in order to get to this gallery page. So if you're logged in and you're looking at your website from the public view, you'll notice down here you have in the far right corner some menu options. One of them is called Customize. One of them allows you to edit this current page. At the top, this is an indicator that you are logged in. You're able to get to your account and log out, or you can come back to the back end of your website on the dashboard. I'm going to go this way, but I want you to also know that we're going to end up customizing our site, so you can also go here more directly if you wanted to. So I'm going to select my site, and this will take me to my dashboard, which is not public. I'm going to select the accordion design and customize. This is going to allow me to customize my theme. So it's going to give you a preview of your website and your theme. These little icons indicate that these are editable items on your page. This is the menu, and if you scroll down to here, you'll see this is the menu that we're going to start to work with. Notice that this is collapsed right now. This indicates that the browser that I'm using is narrowed, which is defaulting to give me a more narrow menu. And if you use your phone to do any web browsing, you'll notice that this is usually a format for phones. So don't be confused when you enlarge the browser window. It should default to what we were seeing a second ago. So I'm going to go to menus, and it's showing me that I have a social menu and a primary menu. This is my primary. This is the social menu. You can delete that or keep that if you'd like. If I select primary, you need to make sure that you select the location. I've selected header, which puts it right here. I'm going to use that. I'm not sure why that's saying, oh, because the about page is missing. Let me get rid of that. So ignore that. But like we were looking a second ago, this is my primary menu navigation pane, and then I have assignments and making galleries. I'm going to go ahead and delete these and start from scratch so you can see how I did this. So my menu should disappear over here. I'm still in primary. I'm still making it the header in its location, but I need to add items now. Now I'm going to show you how to add what is a current page. Right now I have a making galleries page that I've already created, and I also have an about page. Some of yours will default to having a home page here. You can delete that or keep it if you want. It's a little redundant because if your name is up here for test site or whatever you're titling your site, it does the same thing and takes you home. So I tend to see it as just a space filler and not so necessary. But if you feel like you want it or you want to keep it there, that's fine. Now I'm going to add these two. I'm going to drag and drop this one, the about page, above the other. Oh, it's not letting me. I think there's another way to do that, to reorder these, and I'm not seeing it currently. Oh, I think reorder right here allows me to reorder the location of these. It's being a little bit glitchy. I want to select, I'm going to drag this down and let it, see if it lets me now. Yeah. So if I select this arrow over and this up, if you're having any glitches, I'm going to put that one above making galleries, which will make it, when it previews, be to the left and making galleries to the right. Now, because we're creating a series of assignments, I'm going to select add item, and I'm going to create what's called a custom link. And it's just a menu item here that when you select it, it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't go to any pages. It's just an inactive link or a dead link. And we're going to create what are called children pages to that custom page. So up here, these are pages. You have posts, categories, tags, and formats. Don't worry about this too much, but I'm going to create a custom link here. I'm going to select where it says URL. I'm going to just put in the number symbol. Then under the link, I'm going to put under link text the word. And I'm going to add this menu item. Now you'll notice over here it dropped below making galleries. I'm going to shift that above making galleries and over. And then if I select making galleries and I pull it to the right, it will make it a child menu or a child page to the assignment page. Now I'm going to make certain that I hit publish up here. When I select publish, I'm going to then go and look at the website in its public form. I'm going to just select up here and copy, create a new tab and paste so I can see it pretty quickly. Now you notice the about page is to the left. Assignments, when I select assignments, it doesn't take me anywhere. And the sub page or the child page to that is called making galleries. And there's that gallery. This will take a little bit of practice to understand. It's a little bit convoluted, and this drag and drop can be a little finicky. So just be patient with it. Remember this reorder link here that lets you reorder these. So if I select those, I have some customized ways of shifting these pages when they're under this menu item. To exit out of here, you can exit the entire customized portion of the site, or you can go back and do some more custom settings to the site overall.